Alright, let's see what you've done this time. So first, here it goes again.
This place is an urban tale. They have the craziest chef ever. Could I get a burger? I'm sorry.
My friend told me it's a hidden gem.
Good. Here's your extra tips.
French fries, please. Sauce on side.
It's burning outside. Do you have ice cold?
These fries are crispy. Keep it up. That steak really smacked my chops. Hi, I'll have a burger. So here, thank you.
It's good. Here's your extra tips.
I heard someone was shot at this restaurant. Is
Give
that
me
true?
money and cheeseburger. Shut the bag.
I'd like some fries, please.
My friend told me it's a hidden gem.
These fries are crispy. Keep it up. Should I get a steak? I want it cooked medium.
Should I get a burger? This restaurant got 5-star. I'm gonna try it. Could I have a large Coke with extra ice? It's good. Here's your extra tips. Could I get a burger? I'm starving.
I'd like some fries, please.
It's good. Here's your extra tips. It's now time.
A choice steak, please. I'd like it to be medium rare.
These fries are crispy. Keep it up.
Could I get a salad? I'm vegan.
There's nothing. Continue.
Putrid, inedible. This restaurant got 5-star. I'm gonna try it. Hi, I'll have a burger. We're here, thank you. Cool! I feel so high with your ice!
It's mega.
It's good! Here's your extra tips.